Hey, it's me. So, I got my friend Tanner here, and we're gonna go be adventurous. Yeah, got a grapevine and we got a zip line where to go to. Which one do you want to go to, sir?
Whichever one's more dangerous.
Any outside today?
Mother Nature can't hold her bladder together.
Here!
Dude, how come I've never done this before?
How come you've never done it before?
Yeah, I didn't know it was here.
Well, you're missing out.
Well, let's do it.
Let's do it. Grab that mug. Don't stop. Keep on running, boy. Run, run. Can't let go. You good? On the grapevine. I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
I'm Tarzan the grapevine.
Turn.
That is a gigantic grapevine.
How'd you climb this thing, dude?
This is what we do for fun, YouTube. We just go in the woods and cause destruction on our bodies.
Okay.
What the heck?
Look, there's a hernia.
He's just like,
Yeah, I know.
it looks like a wrinkly ball sack. Separate you two, I told you.
Well, there's a pumpkin. Wait, you want to destroy a pumpkin?
Does this involve gunpowder?
Yes, it does.
I like gunpowder.
Yo, Mom, can we use some gunpowder to blow up a pumpkin?
Okay, but be careful.
This is what we're gonna be shooting with. It's very
It's very American.
Yes, it is.
Hey, Braden, look, it's one of your fat dogs. He's camera shy, poor little thing. Looks like a sausage. He dropped something.
Cut the video, please.
He had a malfunction.
We're good. Let's get a pumpkin.
Now that pumpkin is going to explode.
Time to kill the pumpkin. Okay.
Y'all guys ready?
Yep.
Take your time.
Well, that was fun. It's really cold out here, so I think we're gonna go inside. Tanner? What are you doing? Yo, what are you doing, my dude? What are you doing? Your paw's on the glass.
The glass is so warm.
Yo, why do you eat peanut butter all the time? Should probably get that away. You know he's allergic to it, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You watch your Hannah Montana, and
It's almost downloaded. 1 more minute.
you still watch Hannah Montana.
Yes.
It's 2017, Emma.
I know, it's my freaking
It's
jam.
not 2001.
You know, I'm gonna be singing it whenever the songs come on. I'll be like,
No. What glorious weather we have today. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
peace out.
America.